in this test, can you fly your drone from inside your car? I'm going to say straight away, yes, you can. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get straight in with it because the drone's already on the roof. I don't want the wind blowing it off. So we're going to do auto takeoff. I'm going to put on the screen record first so you can see what's going on. Screen record's on. I've got the drone on the roof. Auto takeoff. Okay, so the drone's has been updated. Please check it on the map. Okay, so I'm going to send the drone off. It's just gone off course a little bit there. Just going to get it lined up first. We get the drone a bit of height so we don't annoy anybody. We'll do, let's do just over 100 foot. Okay, off we go. I've got my dog with me tonight. What I will do, I'll put on the video. For some reason I've gone into pro, so back on the auto. It's the evening. It's sun's going down soon, so I just want to see how well it performs. Now the idea about flying from in your car, here in Spain obviously you wouldn't be able to hear me, but I could have had the window up, aircon on to keep it nice and cool. I've still got a nice signal on my RC. I'm just going towards the villa complex there. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to raise it up a little bit more. So we're well out the way of Bonnie. I better let the dog in. Come on. Well done. Still got a good signal. I'm just starting to it's back on again. Now, like I was saying, I'm just gonna, yes, Bonnie, well done. Oh, I think it was doing then. Just carrying on the drone. The main reason I'm doing this is you can fly your drone from inside your car. Obviously you want to be in the direction where the drone's going. We have got a bit of wind. So what I'm going to do now, I'm not going to fly it miles. Don't need to. So I'm going to stop the drone. I'm going to bring it back to my location by doing return to location. Or return to home, I should say. Now I could be sat in there with window up, aircon on, nice and cool. But obviously you guys in the UK, it could be freezing cold out there, because I can't remember those days back in the UK, early morning, freezing. Obviously you wouldn't be flying it in the rain, but you would be flying, if it was really cold, you could be sat in with a little bit of comfort. So the drone's coming back to me. I'll be interested to see if it lands on my roof, because I've got a feeling, because when the drone took off, it went off that way a little bit. So it'd be interesting to see how what happens there. So just to prove that you can fly your drone from inside your car. Now the reason why I've done this really is for you people back in the UK. I've just shut the dog in the car. I can just hear her moaning now. So it's going to be a quick one. So yeah, it just proves that you can fly it from inside your car. I was up over 200 foot. I went quite a distance. I'm never one for flying it miles, but there was no signal issues at all. I could have carried on a bit further. I didn't need to, but I just wanted to prove, guys, that you can fly your car. You can fly your drone from inside your car. Now, obviously, if I flew the drone behind me, then that would be another thing. But you can, obviously, if I was inside the car, I can do a circle around the car. That'd be no problem. And also, the drone can follow the car. So, hope you found that useful. If you want me to do while the car's moving along, just ask. If you've got any comments or whatever, just ask. I'm happy to help. So, as always, guys, hope you enjoy these type of videos. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you get the thumbs down if you don't like it. and I'll catch you another one. And yeah, as always say, fly safe, guys.